artificial intelligence and machine learning that able to troubleshoot the network, find those security issues, and filter out the network noise for the decision makers. How the AI, the machine learning will benefit the network management and will benefit the network management and network monitoring that going forward. And we need to know that exactly how this AI and machine learning will benefit them in order to use them effectively for the customers. In-house enterprise IT management will look more and more to outsource their network management and the monitoring, and the AI and machine learning as a composition, as a combination of technological advancement and the modernization of this technology with the smart applications and the power those analytics will be needed to manage and troubleshoot the network issues as public cloud and private cloud models change subsequently in coming years, coming days. It is an effect of random applications and modernization of this technology that will power an advantage of this combination of AI and machine learning that is used by those enterprise IT management. It fully realizes the vision of those autonomous networking that requires the breaking those free from the boundaries of traditional closed hardware centric architecture and moving towards more flexible solutions. From a cost perspective, AI and machine learning speed speed up the resolution by minimizing the downtime with preemptive maintenance, allowing for putting proactive steps in place of network monitoring that reduce the operational expenditure by reducing the number of steps and the need of those skill planning. And in addition, the AI and machine learning in the process of revolutionize the network monitoring, additional AI and ML to the IT operations, including those network monitoring. Commonly, we can refer to as its application in and the operation in artificial intelligence, given the growing scale and the complexity of this modern network. Artificial intelligence, along with machine learning, that's becoming an imperative for maintaining the business agility. The intelligent automation of this AI application and those operations that work with this technology that enhance the security, that boost the network management and consolidate those alerts into the critical incident that happens, and the power root cause analysis that helps the operation team to take a swifter action to remediate those problems. And artificial intelligence and machine learning can be used to identify the event patterns that is occurring in the technological field or any other industries that make those events that have the successful patterns and trends across the customer to resolve those common issues. AI and ML are also being built into a security product to identify those anomalous behavior, and that's indicating the malware, ransomware, breaches, and other network incident when it comes to the AI and machine learning that will benefit those network management, network monitoring, and the security. The should remember that no panaceas are exist that remedy can be found for all angle, for all aspect. The sophisticated human understanding must balance the AI driven automation, that the automation technologies that extend a security analyst hand, allowing for the quick analysis of massive amount of data at scale with efficiency of no human analyst that can match cyber security services that provides those specialization in manage those detection and response, believing AI is the silver bullet that can address all the cyber security challenges. It is as dangerous as the bad actors involved with, though it can be used to detect those unknown threats, the security issues, and still the human is important that the analysis of and to provide those reliable data after the analysis that is very effective. A lack of quality of data that leads to the poor result. Even with the quality of data, trained AI to produce the false positiveness, and it's not good at explaining how it arrived at a certain conclusions. Experience a new partner that deliver those capability is a form of cyber security, and they lack the ability to understand the context. Human remains crucial to the adoption of artificial intelligence, the advancement in this technological arena, the field, and how this combination of AI and ML will work for the future, will transform the technology for the future, and that leads a quality of data, and the lack of quality of data leads to the result, which is inappropriate and uncertainty in this particular field or domain. The AI, a machine learning, cannot determine the causation that make, and meaning that they are not able to tell why something is happened. Human understanding remain unreplaceable. That's understanding why it's manage those cyber security services still has a mission critical, very interesting and very difficult situation that will arise if the control of the human, how long it will control the AI, the robotics, the application of this artificial intelligence will, whether it is control our life or we are controlled by the machine, the application, the smart devices. That's the important thing, that how we can survive, how we can dominate still as a human being in spite of this technological advancement, the introduction of machines, introduction of robotics. That's the important thing. As long as we are controlling the machine, it will be okay for the humanity, for the society. Unless if in some day or in some scenario, in some situation that machine control us, there's been adverse effect is going to be happen or going to be started in the technological advancement in the technological field, that makes those situation is very much difficult for the survival of the human being, the people we are living with that. The change is critical to growth, and especially if you are running a business in today's volatile industry, in the application of AI and how this AI is a useful tools or utility in the network management, how this AI will drive those network management. That's also a very important issues, that the disruption in technological field, the network application, the disruption in the internet age, how this internet has revolutionized the data industry, how the internet will revolutionize the business in data management. The data industry will depend on this transformation, and the many other innovation factors are involved with these internal and external issues that we need to evaluate, we need to focus on. Now, thanks for your time. See you in the next video.